happened at 11 September.
And let's go back to the letter. Okay. This is, guys, this is the paper that you have in any paper you want to use. I need you to notice something. Can you see this with line?
Yes, the margin.
Exactly. This is called the margin. Now you have two ways. You can leave half an inch. Okay. Then start writing the first paragraph, or you can start writing immediately next to the margin. I mean, like this. Or dear, notice that here.
But when I leave half an inch, what do I do to the paragraphs? I don't skip a line
Don't
between
skip
the
a line.
sentences.
Don't. I mean, you have to write here, I am, like this. I am so sorry. Wait. I am so sorry. I cannot and complete your writing. So notice that you left half an inch, but you didn't skip a line at all.
So I don't skip a line between the paragraphs and the sentences and the content and the paragraphs.
If you want to adopt this way, okay?
If I want to adopt the way to leave half an inch, I
Okay.
don't.
Rashid, let's take a look at the letter of Hanadi. Notice that Hanadi, she started writing immediately next to the margin. She didn't leave half an inch. Can you notice that?
Yes.
Because she did so, I mean, because she didn't leave half an inch, she skipped a line between paragraphs. Notice that here we have a line which is blank.
But what about the content in the paragraph? Do I skip a line or I don't?
What do you mean by content? Do you mean
The sentences.
No,
The sentences.
Rashid, you have to skip a line or leave half an inch in every new paragraph. New idea, new paragraph. This is a new paragraph. This new paragraph is talking about something different from this paragraph. And this paragraph is talking about something different about this paragraph. So this is one paragraph. This is the second paragraph. And this is the third paragraph. And notice, guys, that every paragraph is talking about something new. This is number 2. Number 3, because this is a paragraph, a complete, one single paragraph, I have to skip a line when I want to start writing a new paragraph. Okay? But
so starting from the margin, leave a space between the paragraphs.
Leave a space between. Do you mean skip a line?
Skip a line, yes.
Yes, between paragraphs. Let me tell you something, Rashid. Hanadi could start writing here last week this sentence, for example, or this line. Maybe she wanted to start writing like this. She didn't want to skip a line. If she wants to do so, she has to leave half an inch here and here.
So if I want to skip a line between the paragraphs,
don't leave half an inch.
Don't leave half an inch.
Don't. If you want to leave half an inch, don't skip a line. Okay?
Yes.
And don't leave half an inch.
And if starting between the margins,
exactly.
I skip a line. But what about the sentences in the paragraph? Do I skip a line between the sentences?
No, don't. Notice, you don't have to do so, Rashid. Okay?
Yes.
But guys, absolutely, you don't have to leave half an inch, for example, in writing the closing and the opening and closing statement. Don't. This is something different. I don't have to apply the rule with the opening and closing statement, only with writing the paragraphs. Okay? You know what, Rashid? I have an idea. I'm going to send to the group 2 letters. One which is written in the structure of leaving half an inch, and the second one which is written in skipping a line, just to check the difference between them. Okay?
Difference between the structures?
Between the structures, exactly. One letter is written using skipping a line, and the second letter is written with the second structure, which is leaving half an inch.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
And check the
Okay.
differences between them just to know that I cannot mix them, because absolutely in mixing them, you are destroying the base of the letter and your letter is going to fall down. Okay, so I think this is it. We still have 10 minutes. I don't know if we have time to start talking about the new idea. Let me check the exercise that we have. Is it level 5? Wait.
Doctor, you didn't correcting my letter. You
Oh
didn't
God,
correct.
where is your letter? Can you send it now to Dr. Aisha, please?
I sent it. I sent it
Hmm.
to her.
Sadia, is that you?
And she, yes,
Wait,
and
let me.
she told me
Now
that
she sent that at 9 and 9. Okay. By the way,
separated the same letter. I sent it,
amazing.
but my hand still uncovered
Practice
because
writing as much as you can, because absolutely
yes,
your handwriting should be good. By the way, let me send your letter because we still have 10 minutes. We can finish your letter in 10 minutes. Let me send it via the Bluetooth, and we have to start correcting it. Only give me not 1 minute. 1 minute is too much. 10 seconds just to send the letter. Okay, so this is it. This is your letter. Thank you for writing your letter. I'm sorry, I think this is it. Okay. Why are you late in sending the letter? Okay, holy God, horrible handwriting. So notice,
because
guys.
my hand is injured. No, I am a good handwriting,
You have a
but
good
my
handwriting.
yes, I have.
Mhm. Okay.
But I can't use my hand. I still can't use my hand.
You told me that your hand is broken, isn't it? Is your hand broken, Saria?
Three from 3 way.
3 weeks ago. You can
Yes.
ask your sister or brother just one. By the way, everything is okay. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, maybe it was really hard, but okay. Thank you, by the way, for writing the letter. Now, guys, this is the address and date. So 13. Notice, guys, that 13 and August should be written next to each other without writing the comma. Okay, only the comma, guys. And writing the day, for example, Sunday, for example, Sunday, dash or comma, absolutely, comma for informal and dash for formal. 13, August, okay, comma, 1999. Okay, Saria, comma, 1999, for example. Okay? Can you hear me, Saria?
Yes, doctor. I
Okay,
can.
so now this is the opening statement. Thank you so much, D. Leonardo, but where is the comma? Okay, so notice, Rashid, that Saria decided to skip a line between paragraphs. I noticed that
Yes.
she wrote exactly or immediately next to the margin without leaving half an inch. This is the full letter. In this letter, we have 3 paragraphs. And notice that in the 3 paragraphs, she decided to adopt the structure of skipping a line.
But doctor, I have a question about my letter.
Ah,
In the in informal writing, do I write my full name or a signature?
No, you don't have to write your full name. The signature, wait, Rashid, the signature, I mean by signature, writing your name.
Oh,
Okay.
so if I wrote my name, not my full name, is it correct?
Yes,
In
in the informal, yes, it is completely correct to write only your first
informal
name.
writing,
Informal,
do I
no. No. You have to write your complete name. Even if you are sending a letter, Rashid, to your boss, I know that your boss knows your full name. But to be to be a respectful person, to be polite person, you have to write your full name. Okay?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
So let me zoom the letter in. Okay, so I hope this letter finds you well. This is amazing. And what?
Rested.
And rested. And rested or not rested?
And rested. And rested.
Okay, wait, let me
Finds you well and rested.
find you well and rested. Okay, thank you so much. This is the comma. Thank
Okay.
you so much for your kind invitation, amazing, to spend this holiday with you, holy God, amazing. This is a full stop, isn't it?
Comma.
It was a lovely, guys, it is better to write a full stop because you are writing a new sentence and there is no conjunction, by the way, and you want to start talking about something new. So it's better to write the full stop, okay? It was a lovely gesture and truly appreciate.
Appreciate it.
Can you read it, please?
Appreciate.
Yeah, I know, but can you read the sentence?
It was a lovely gesture and truly appreciate it.
Okay, thank you. Guys, do you feel that we have something missing in this sentence?
Yes.
What is it,
The
Hanadi?
subject.
The subject, thank you.
I truly appreciate
I
it.
truly appreciate it, exactly.
Ah,
Do you know why? Because you used and. Guys, and is a conjunction. And don't forget that in using and
Oh.
for yet. So this is one of the fanboys. If you want to use the fanboys, guys, please, you have to use the fanboys with two independent clauses. And when I say an independent clause, I mean the sentence should be meaningful, should be complete. It should have the subject, verb, object. If there is no object, you have to write the adverb of time, the adverb of place. If there is none, you have to write the complement. But absolutely, you have to use it with what? With two independent
yes, I
clauses.
must have.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, comma, amazing. I love that. I have to apologize for not being able to attend this time due to my hectic schedule.
Yep.
Huh?
And my overwhelming workload.
I love this sentence. This is really amazing. It's not a simple sentence. It is punctuated correctly, and the meaning is amazing. I am what?
Genuinely disappointed
I am genuinely, okay, disappointed. What? Not to be able?
for not being
For not
able.
being able.
Okay. For
For not being able
to catch up with
Up.
your latest
Latest
news. Holy
news.
God, this is really amazing. I didn't find any mistake. This is amazing. Okay, so the next paragraph is, however, holy God. Do you want to say something, guys? Okay. I need you to notice something, guys, in the letter of Saria. She used too many conjunctions. This is extremely important. Using the conjunctions make your writing flow, and you have to connect the words and sentences by using conjunctions. One way to be advanced or professional in writing is using the correct conjunctions. Absolutely, the subordinated conjunctions, the coordinating conjunctions, the relative pronouns, and the adverbial ones plus the adverbs. However, comma, I would love for us, am I right?
Yes. Arrange.
To arrange. I would love for us to arrange another visit.
When my schedule
Okay.
is more flexible.
Okay. Saria, what do you think to put for us after or before when? I mean, is it better to say I would love to arrange another meeting for us when my schedule is more flexible? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so why?
I
Because
would love
us,
to arrange in
no.
Okay.
Do you know why? Because us, guys, is object pronoun, and because it is object pronoun, sometimes I have to write it at the end of the sentence.
Okay.
Can you read this exercise for us, please? Okay, so when my schedule is more flexible, what is this?
Maybe
Maybe, we have a comma. Okay, maybe
during the Christmas vacation,
during the Christmas vacation. Okay.
if the time suits you well.
Okay. Maybe during the Christmas vacation, if the time, yes, exactly. Okay. Keep me updated if the
The time
works for you.
works
Amazing. Thank you so much. This is really good. This is really amazing. Thank you for writing such a paragraph. Now, finally, best regards. She wrote the comma. Absolutely, she skipped a line after writing the closing statement. And now I have to write the signature. Keep in mind, guys, that the final statement is optional. And here she wrote only her first name because she is writing a letter to her friend. It's not a must to write your full name. Okay? Thank you so much, Sarah. This is really amazing.
Thank you, doctor.
But by the way, guys, it's not the final homework, writing homework. Absolutely, we have to discuss not much homework, but let me say maybe some homework. But you have to write better than this. Please, guys, I need you to use your hand and to write in a good handwriting, because as I told you, there is going to be a time you have to write neatly, properly. Your writing should be comprehensible, understandable, clearly written, please. Okay?
Yes, doctor, I tried my best because the letter is forward to you, dear Leonardo.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. I appreciate this letter, Sarah.
Thank
And
you.
I appreciate your kindness.
Thank you, doctor.
So thank you so much, guys. You've been really amazing. I cannot deny that you were weak. No, absolutely, you were not. And it is something normal, as we know, this just to check the mistakes. Try the best, please, guys, to revise writing and to apply the steps that we have discussed earlier. All the time, you have to check the spelling mistakes, word choice mistakes, word order, prepositional mistakes, grammatical mistakes, lexical mistakes, till the end of the steps, just to be able to fully check your writing and for your writing to be really the best, okay? So we don't have time just to complete or talk about something,
Yes,
you know?
of course, doctor.
Yes. So I think we have to start discussing the exercises from the book the next class. So if you have any questions, you can ask me before leaving.
No, thank you, doctor.
Okay. So I have to thank you so
Oh,
much,
thank you.
guys. And I have to wish a good night for
Doctor.
you. Thank you so much.